Are you looking to improve your credit score but don't know how to start? Look no further. In part 1 of this video, I'm going to walk you through what credit repair is so that you can understand the impact credit ratings have on qualifying for loans. I'm here to show you that repairing your credit isn't as hard as it seems. Credit repair is the process of identifying and disputing errors in your credit report so that your score improves. With a good credit score, you'll potentially be eligible for better loan rates, housing opportunities, insurance premiums, and more. And with that comes greater control over your financial future. However, credit scores can drop if payments are late or if there's too much debt involved. Credit repair is a process of improving your credit score by identifying errors, disputing inaccuracies, and addressing negative items on your credit report. It's important to note that credit repair is not a magic fix. It takes time and effort to repair your credit score, and you'll need to ensure that you're making on-time payments and keeping your credit utilization low. But with the help of a credit repair company like Nuecred, you can take steps towards improving your credit and achieving your financial goals. Speaking of Nuecred, we're a trusted partner for first-time homebuyers looking to achieve their dream of homeownership. We specialize in helping our clients repair and improve their credit profiles so they can qualify for mortgages at lower interest rates. We strive to empower our clients with the financial knowledge and tools necessary to make informed decisions about their home buying journey. We believe in transparent and ethical practices, and we won't make any false promises about what credit repair can do for you. Instead, we'll work with you to identify errors and inaccuracies on your credit report and provide support throughout the dispute process. We are dedicated to redefining the American dream, providing access and opportunity through excellent credit ratings that grant financial freedom. In conclusion, credit repair is a beneficial process for anyone looking to improve their credit score. With the help of a reputable company like Nuecred, you can take steps towards achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching.